Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the visibility of your gift list in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Now let's directly move to the topic. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to Registry. The button's right here, just below Cart. Simply click on it, and from there, you will be redirected to a new page like this. Do you note that you can create a new registry or a new gift list from right here as well? But right now what we need to focus on is simply our registry. So I'm just gonna hover over this thing called your registry and gift list, and this opened up, and just below it here is my gift list. I'm simply gonna click on it, and from here, as you can see, this right here is my gift list. I'm just gonna scroll down and just go to settings. I'm gonna click on the button right now. Once you're in the settings page of your gift list, do note that you can change your first name, last name, your gift list title and everything. I just want to scroll down to the very bottom, and right here you can see something like your gift list privacy. And as you can see, currently it's on shareable. Do you note that you can change it to public or private? It's up to you. And once everything's okay, simply hit on save changes. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the visibility of your gift list in Amazon. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.